Next, I want to show how we can use the calculator for this type of hypothesis test. So number 2 says, use the calculator to confirm your answer for question 1. And I've already copied down all of the information from question 1. So I want to go to the calculator and select 2 sample z-test. So press Stat, go over to Tests, and down to 2 sample z-test. And I want to make sure that the input is set to stats. And then I'm going to enter in sigma 1 and sigma 2, x bar 1 and n1, x bar 2 and n2, and then scroll down, select the two-tailed test, and press calculate. So the z-value is negative 2.79 and the p-value is 0.0053. And those are the same values that we found on question 1. So the picture looks like this. 0.0053 is less than 0.10, so the p-value is less than alpha, which means we reject the null hypothesis. And again, this is consistent with what we found on question 1.